Google Flights. This is going to be your window, how it's going to look. And best thing to find flights and see all the details is to look and search on your desktop. So you're going to enter your city. I put Houston, and we're going to leave this blank, and the dates don't matter right now, so just hit search. Now this is how you're going to find the cheapest options. It's going to tell you a list of places that you can travel to and their prices. Now right now we still have the dates of March 18th to the 22nd, so we're going to change those dates. Click on the calendar, and we're going to hit on the top flexible dates. And right here is your option to either choose a month or search the following 6 months coming up. Also, you can search a weekend, 1 week, or 2 weeks. So I'm going to hit all and 1 week. And this is going to show me all the best deals from my city, Houston. This is in the United States and also international, as you can see. So, for example, in the United States, I can go for $35 to Chicago on April 8th through the 14th. That's a good deal. Nonstop. You like something you see, you click on it, and to the left it will show you which airline, which is Spirit, the one that has this offer. And you can click on that, and it will take you to your options to book your flight. And that's your quick Google Flights tutorial.